Hello everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. Let me just fix my hair. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. I film videos about plus size fashion, beauty. I do a few planner videos. I do home bargains, B&M, Primark hauls, or Poundland haul, all those kinds of things. Today's video is a home bargains haul. I bought quite a few things and I also filmed in there. So first I'm going to show you my haul, then I'm going to show you what's in. It's got some really nice things. I didn't buy, you'll see in the footage from Home Bargains, come with me to Home Bargains or whatever, there are these baskets that are like little elephants, little bears that have different sizes. They are so cute. I guess you could use them for throws or stuff like that. I didn't buy one, but they were really, really tempting. So yeah, let's begin with what I bought because I have quite a few products. Okay, let's begin. My partner is organizing his desk, so I got him a little storage thing. What's this called? It's called a multi-purpose organized basket. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought he could have like staplers and sticky tape and post-it notes and pens and things like that. So just to organize his desk, so I got him that. And I think this was like $129, so they're really affordable. Home Bargains has lots of storage stuff at the moment, and so does B&M. So if you are interested in that, go now. They've also have the Mother's Day stuff and all that. We needed some Lenore, and I got Ruby Jasmine Divine E, the large pack. I have no idea what it smells like though. Let's see. Do we like it or not? Because I was wearing a mask. I don't take my mask off. I like it. It doesn't smell of jasmine. It smells of, I don't know what it smells like. It's a flower. It's a flowery scent. It's nice. It smells nice. So I got that. Then I got these slippers. I think they were £3 because I needed new slippers. So I got some. I bought these in a size 7 and they are padded. Nice to walk around the house. So I got some slippers, because the ones that I have are dying at the moment. So, yep. Then I got some makeup remover face cloths, KHM. I don't know if that's some kind of Home Bargains brand, but this is what I got. If you do know what Kate, because I had lots of products and they had, who's Kate Hewers or something like that. So yeah, there were makeup brushes and stuff like that, and these you just add warm water and take your makeup off. So I got these because they're always useful, and you can just, I like that they're not white, so you don't see the makeup that much, and then you can maybe reuse it if it's not too dirty. So I got these, and again they were like $1.50, something like that, so not expensive. This was $1.50, and I've always wanted a turntable organizer, a Lazy Susie. You put this on. I was thinking of putting my spices in this and just having them and just moving them around. You could also have like put this in your cupboard and just put things like, I don't know, olive oil and vinegar and salt if you have a big table. So really looking forward to using this, because on Amazon these are, and wherever I've looked, these are like 10 quid, and I just wanted to get one and see. So I'm really looking forward to trying my own Lazy Susan, or Susie. My partner bought some snowballs, mini snowballs, Paperie. I think they are reduced now, so we got some of those. I have been putting syrups in my coffee, and I really like it. It gives me a sense of Starbucks without being at Starbucks. So, and paying the price of a flavored coffee. I use decaf. So the one that I got is, I haven't tried this brand before, but at Home Bargains they were toffee caramel flavor, and I just put a little bit in my coffee and just like it. I like hazelnut as well, but they didn't have hazelnut, so I didn't buy hazelnut. So that's a coffee syrup I got. I've been using Interdental brushes, and I saw these at Home Bargains. I haven't tried these ones. I usually get the ones from Boots, but these were like half the price, so I thought I'll try them and see. So that, another mini, I didn't know, another snowball. So yeah, and let's move on to the next bag. Okay, I like washing my hair and using a hair turban, and these were £1 made with bamboo. I just love using these, and I wash them and then I just dry my hair. They absorb water well, so I really like using these. So I got another towel. And then for my kitchen, I bought this storage holder. I think this was $3.50, and I put my kitchen utensils in there. I don't know what I'm going to use this bit for. Maybe put like oils or some little bottles like vinegar, something like that. So I got this to organize utensils and things like that. So because I have another one for my spices next to my oven. So yeah, going to use that to organize stuff. So looking forward to putting that in. I got a bit of alcohol. I got this cocktail. It's a recordling cocktail. It's pear. I think it has whiskey in it. So cool. I like a bit of whiskey. Then we got some Colgate Plaques Spearmint flavor. I use this to clean my mouth guard as well with. So, you know, the one that instead of clenching your teeth, you use that. So I wash my mouth guard with that, but we also use this as a mouth wash. And then I also got my Sensodyne Complete. I use this to brush my teeth. I really like Sensodyne, especially when you have a toothache. The dentist told me to put this around like your tooth when it's hurting, and it just helps the tooth as well. So I got that. I bought a wild rhubarb fabuloso multi-surface polish which is for dusts and shine. So you can use it on wood, glass, metal, plastic. Let's see what it smells like. Does it smell nice? Let's see. I'm going to spray it on my desk. Yep, it smells like rhubarb. So yeah, got that. And I also bought a mineral bubble bath with natural Dead Sea minerals and lavender oil. This makes a lot of bubbles. I love this. This is amazing. Great product. If you want to have a bubble bath, you should definitely try this out. So yeah, that's everything I got from Home Bargains. Now I'm going to show you the footage. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow, and maybe leave a comment below why you love going to Home Bargains, what you buy from Home Bargains. If you have any suggestions, I'll see you in my next video. I'm going to try to add some funky music to the footage from Home Bargains. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Don't go because I've got more footage, but I'm going.